Hello everybody. In last classes we are continuously solving exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3, exercise 4. Now we are solving exercise 4 in a tally prime, creating ledger with the groups. In tally prime it is very important to create which group has to be chosen for the ledger. First we will open tally prime. First go to company, click on create, give exercise 4 as a company name, just go on clicking entering. Yes, exercise 4 is created. Now we'll start creating ledger with the groups. Wages comes under the direct expenses. We'll go to create here, again go to ledger, press enter. Wages comes under the direct expenses. Next, bad debits, indirect expenses. Bad debits, indirect expenses. Next, general expenses. General expenses comes under the indirect expenses. Stock on 1/1/2002, that comes under the stock in hand. In last year we are closing the stock in hand. Previously they were maintaining manually. When they come to implement it in tally, we can take it as a stock in hand. Interest on mortgage loan, it comes under the indirect expense. Lightning and heating, this comes under the direct expense. Then packaging charges, it also comes under the direct expense. Motor car, you are purchased a new car for your office, means it comes under the current asset, it becomes the asset of the company, so we have to choose current asset. Loan from Divakar, it comes under the loan liability. Loan liability. If you borrowed from your friend or some relatives, that comes under the loan liability. Discount earned. Discount earned. It comes under the indirect income. Indirect income. Discount allowed. Discount allowed. We are given a discount to indirect expenses. Bad debit reserves. Comes under the indirect income. Bank overdraft. Bank overdraft. Okay, that comes under the bank OD account. If you are having a OD account in your bank, then it comes under the bank OD account. Goodwill. Goodwill comes under the current assets. Likewise, you have to create the ledger with the groups. We are solved totally 4 assignments so that we'll become perfect in creating ledgers and choosing the correct group. In next class we will solve assignment 5, that is trial balance, and next we will go on solving different exercises. Thank you one and all. We'll close the session.